ignite my fire. I realize you ignite my fire. Outstanding. Get what, baby? What happened? Girl, you knocked me out. Hey, listen, guys, I've been in the gym and I feel the muscles in my legs because I've been working on my thigh muscles. So the muscles in my legs are killing me, but I've been pushing through anyway. But the muscles in my legs are killing me. Killing me softly with his words. Killing me softly with his song. Killing me softly with his song. Telling my whole life. Nature just love me. Look at me in nature, baby. I'm in Garden City. Don't ask me about my business. I'm in Garden City. That's why I'm in Garden City. Thank you. Look.